Hi everyone, this is ihilalahmadd and you are watching soft coding. Guys, in this video I will show you how you can create a back arrow on your activity toolbar like this. As you can see here on the screen, this is my main activity. So if I click on this button, so it goes to the second activity I have created, and as you can see here we have an arrow here on the second activity. So in this video I will show you how you can create arrow on your activity toolbar. So this is my project, and we have a button here, and on the button click we are using intent to go to the second activity, and this is our first activity, and as you can see here this is our second activity. Nothing complex here, so it's just simple XML. So if I run this app, as you can see here, uh, if we click on this button, so it goes to second activity, but as you can see here we don't have any arrow here on our toolbar. So to create or to implement or to add a back arrow on your activity toolbar, you have to open your Android manifest, and as you can see here we have our activities here. So this is our main activity and this is our second activity. So inside this second activity closing tag, you just need to type parent activity name and enter dot main activity. So what we are doing here, really we are making the main activity as a parent activity of our second activity. So when the user navigate to second activity, so the back arrow will be automatically appear on the toolbar. So when the user click on that arrow, so it goes back to the main activity. If I run this application now, well, you will see here the difference. Okay, and now I will click on this button, and as you can see here we have a little arrow appear here. So it is because of we declared main activity as a parent activity of our second activity. So that's how you can add your back arrow on your activities toolbar. So that's it for this video guys, and if you like this video, please share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel.